Create a video using exactly this script: carbon sequestration and carbon credits. Carbon sequestration. Definition: carbon sequestration is the process of capturing and storing atmospheric carbon dioxide, or CO2. It is a method to mitigate or defer global warming by reducing the amount of CO2 in the atmosphere. Types of carbon sequestration. Biological sequestration. Forests. Trees and plants absorb carbon dioxide during photosynthesis and store it in biomass. That's trunks, branches, leaves and roots, as well as in the soil. Oceans, marine plants like phytoplankton and macroalgae absorb carbon dioxide. Oceans also store carbon in dissolved forms and sediments. Soil, agricultural practices like no-till farming, cover cropping and agroforestry enhance the soil's ability to store carbon. Geological sequestration. Underground storage. Carbon dioxide is captured from industrial processes and injected into underground geological formations such as depleted oil and gas fields, unminable coal seams and deep saline aquifers. Technological sequestration. Direct air capture. Technology that extracts carbon dioxide directly from the atmosphere and stores it underground or uses it in industrial processes. Bioenergy with carbon capture and storage, or BECCS, combines biomass energy production with carbon dioxide capture and storage. The importance of carbon sequestration cannot be overstated. It helps mitigate climate change by reducing atmospheric CO2 levels. Additionally, it enhances soil quality and agricultural productivity through biological sequestration. Furthermore, it provides a buffer against the release of CO2 from natural and human activities. Now let's talk about carbon credits. So what exactly are carbon credits? Well, carbon credits are permits that allow the holder to emit a certain amount of CO2 or other greenhouse gases. Typically, one carbon credit equals 1 ton of CO2 equivalent. Types of carbon credits, certified emission reductions, or CRs, are issued under the Clean Development Mechanism of the Kyoto Protocol. These credits are generated from emission reduction projects in developing countries. Verified carbon units, or VCUs, are issued by voluntary carbon markets like the Verified Carbon Standard. These units are generated from projects that reduce, remove, or avoid greenhouse gas emissions. How carbon credits work: emission reduction projects. Projects that reduce emissions, such as renewable energy, reforestation, and energy efficiency projects, generate carbon credits. Verification and certification: independent third parties verify the emission reductions, and certifying bodies issue carbon credits. Trading organizations and individuals can buy and sell carbon credits on carbon markets. Companies can purchase credits to offset their emissions and meet regulatory or voluntary targets. Benefits: provides a financial incentive for emission reduction projects, encourages investment in clean technologies and sustainable practices, helps organizations meet emission reduction targets cost-effectively. Challenges: ensuring the integrity and transparency of carbon credit projects and markets, avoiding issues like double counting and overestimation of emission reductions, balancing the supply and demand of carbon credits to maintain market stability. Conclusion: carbon sequestration and carbon credits are crucial components of global efforts to combat climate change. Carbon sequestration captures and stores CO2, reducing atmospheric concentrations, while carbon credits create economic incentives for reducing emissions. Together, they support the transition to a low-carbon economy and help achieve international climate goals.